found the love for me. Hi everybody, how are you? Look, this is a normal here. If you call me right now to the 800-241-2094, look, you can buy this normal. Today we have a live just to explain Valentine designs. First, I need to say thank you to all of you because you shared the last video. I want you to share this one too. If you share this video too, I continue make Facebook Live all the time, okay? I found the love for me. Okay. We are right now on the Bogart showroom. Just in case you hear something, we have customer here inside the showroom here in Bogart. Today, if you have any question, you can write in your question. Si solo hablas español, puedes escribir y después que termine el live yo te puedo responder. But if you just speak English, just write in your question and people will answer. Here with me is Matthew.
Hello.
Lauren.
Howdy.
Okay. Casey. Okay, we are ready to start. If you see that base over there on the bottom is the quad the balloon, right? Just quad the balloons with a small weight on the bottom. And we will use first 11-inch to make the quad. Oh, sorry. One more time. Okay. 1, 2, and tie. One more time. 1, 2, and tie. Okay. After you have two duplex, just put together in the middle and twist. Okay, you have your duplex here. Now we need one more duplex. Let me use 5-inch. Let me see if I have red 5-inch here. Yes. Okay, I will make one duplex, one quad here with 5-inch. Remember, with the hand pump, 1, 2. It's not like no. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, we have one over there. One more time. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have two duplex here. Put together in the middle. Okay, here on the bottom, I will add one water balloon. Okay, I use the same balloons like because I don't want my customer see my mechanic. See? Okay, we have the base right now. Now, if you see the design over there, can you show that design over there? Is one deco bubble. Now, we will make that right now. Okay, for that design, I need the deco bubble 20-inch and I need one 16-inch, okay? Okay, my stick. I know that is famous now. And just roll all the 16-inch, okay? And will be easier put inside your deco bubble 20-inch. Okay, ready. Now are ready to put some air inside the deco bubble. Just air, I don't will use helium. Hi. Okay, we change the color there, our bubble. We have the base here, and we will tie with one neck the balloon. In this case, is the 5-inch. Okay. Now, if you see in this part here, to connect this balloon with the other one, we have here in B&B, we have the clips, the clear ones. We need to use 2 to make sure okay, it's clear. When I use that kind of clips, I use extra tapes just in case when I tie the other balloon will be too, the pressure will be up. Okay. I have here one balloon. Okay, this is one balloon with helium. This balloon have helium. This is 160 balloon. We need to roll down. And tie. Okay. Scissor. If you see those clips here, they have one small hole. I don't know if it's too hard to make the detail over there. I will put down all the 160 and just tie. Okay, and just cut the extra 160. Yeah? Okay. Now, if you see, we have like black. Okay, when I make that design here, I put black here because I try make something similar to the other 18-inch balloon. Okay, like red here, and the rest of the balloon is black, like here. If you see in detail the 18-inch, you can see they have one heart in gold. Okay. Let me show you this. Okay, I have 350. And I have 11-inch. Take my 350, just half, okay? Now, 11-inch. This is a new chrome balloon. We have in stock all chrome balloons, okay? All the 6 different colors. You can call, and somebody will answer. Casey will answer. Oh, sorry. I put air just on the 11-inch because I need a space when I inflate the 350, okay? Now I will add air on the 350. Okay? take off all the extra balloon and now tie it together. Okay? Let me show you here. You have to push here. If you push on top, okay, you can make one heart here, and that is the same heart like I did here in this part, okay? Let me move here. I want to show you something. I did those flowers with the foils. The foils heart is not like complicated, okay? Just you will need 7. Let me show you here. You will need 7 petals. I got already like that. Just put the wire inside. You can cut the extra because you don't need right now. Okay? You will need for each flower, you need 7 balloons. This small one. Okay. I put the wire here inside. Now it's time to. If you see, we change all the texture. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? I will tie with 160 ring. I cover all the extra wire because I need to protect all my balloon just in case we pop with something or. Now we can add those flowers to the design. mean, I like that kind of flowers because last long time. You can prepare in your house. You don't need be like in Valentine. You can start right now. Just the small heart is 4 inch and next side is 9 inch. I mean, you can prepare in your house all the flowers and just sell the same Valentine Day. Okay, if you see the next design over there, they have connected like different hearts. Okay, I will explain you that, but for sure, you saw my video the last time and you will understand. And this time we need black beads, okay? I need to put the black beans inside to make the connector, okay? Just take one black bean. I have my black bean here. It's here, okay? Let me find my inflator here. Okay. It's here, my black beans. I don't know if you can see with details, like my black bean is here, okay? I need exactly the middle. With one crash balloon you can tie, okay? Something like that. Now, we can add air. In that design, just the 36 inch on top have helium. The rest is just air. Okay? You make this connector here. And what happened with the next one? The next one, okay, the next one, just roll down, tie, and you can tie both sides here. Okay, now you can see here, it's the same technique here. I mean, it's the same technique, just with air, and you will need just helium on top, okay? Okay, guys, I hope you share the video. We will have more videos for you next time. Just be careful. You make sure you put like and you share the video. No share, no more videos, okay? See you next time, and I hope see you in World Balloon Convention in San Diego in 4 weeks, okay? Bye-bye, thank you.